The origin, they said, supposedly the court is supposed to resemble when Jordan dropped 63 points on the Boston Celtics, which is tough. Like, why would you make a Jordan shoe if he dropped 63 points on that opposing team? Shit, he dropped so many points on so many people. He should make a shoe for every team. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So first and foremost, if you are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. Supposedly helps me out a ton. I don't know, but just do it anyway. But we are back today with another shoe unboxing and review. Today is, my watch is dead, but I believe it's the 14th of October. And we have a Jordan 1 release, man. Jordan 1 release. If you guys missed out on my cop, drop, or resell that I covered for October, go check that out. That'll be up there on a card. Yeah, man, we back today and we got it, man. We got it. You know what I'm saying? We got the item. You feel me? Let's unbox the item. Quick unbox. Quick. Yo, this thing is dull, man. I need to sharpen this shit up. Boom. Yo, it's Amazon Prime Day. I should have bought a freaking knife. Oh, here we go. Here we go with the unboxing, baby. Oops. Wrong shoe. Sorry, guys. Oopsies. Boom. We're back with the right box, the right shoe. Y'all should have knew, man. Yo, Andy, why the hell you bringing up a Nike box if they just came out today? You got same day shipping? Get the... Yeah, no, I mean, nobody gonna believe that. But we are back, man. We have the Jordan 1 Lucky Green, as you guys can see. It is a Jordan 1. It's got my name on it, you feel me? ALin. It's a women's size 12, this shoe. So that equates to a men's size 14. Men's size 14. So this is a woman's size 12. So it equates to a men's 10.5. So before we get into the unboxing and review of the shoe, let me just give you guys a quick overview of pre-release. So when we first saw the Lucky Green Jordan 1s, it didn't look like this. We didn't know it was going to be a women's pair. We thought it was going to be like the Chicago's, but with a green instead of a red. That would have been fire. I don't even care if the outsole was green or black. I thought it was going to be like the Chicago's. But no, they had to bring it with some weird stuff. Of course, Jordan Brand always does a weird thing. It ended up being a women's Jordan 1, so therefore it comes in this Fearless box. This box was first seen on the Fearless pack, but I guess they're throwing all women's Jordan 1s in this box. As you guys see from the satin snake skins, the NC2 Chicago's, they all have this red Fearless box. But not complaining, regular Jordan 1 box, y'all already know. So a lot of people call this pair of Jordan 1s the Heineken Jordan 1s because of the green and then the red complements with the black outsole, which is pretty fitting for the shoe. But you can't really call it the Heineken Jordan 1s because the Heineken SBs, which is a highly coveted shoe, was actually a collab between Heineken and Nike SB. These are just a colorway, you know what I'm saying? My boy Angel actually called these the real Montclair Jordan 1s because it has the shiny red logo with the green. We used to call the Pine Green Jordan 1 2.0s the Montclair Jordan 1s with the shiny black patch and then the red and green accents. Because, you know, Montclairs are shiny and people love the patch. So, yeah, man. Personally, when I first seen this shoe, I didn't even open up the box yet. But when I first seen pictures online, I wasn't a huge fan because of the light green colorway. I'm more of a fan of the darker green. As you guys see, I still have the DMP Celtic 1s. If you guys know about this shoe is one of my favorite shoes. Yeah, man. Crazy shoe right here. So honestly, this is my favorite pair of green Jordan 1s. It's pretty beat up. I love my little brother wear it, so the heel drag is getting pretty bad. But very classic shoe right here. So, yeah, man, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of this shoe, man. So let's lift the lid, throw it over there. The lid's already kind of messed up, but oof, very, very underwhelming. Very, very underwhelming on first opening. Not gonna lie to you. Regular Jordan 1. Let's cut to a B-roll that I'm gonna be bringing you guys. So let's just cut to a B-roll to get that out the way, and then we're gonna come back, break down the shoe, the colorway, the fit, and everything, man. So catch you on the B-roll. Boom. So yeah, man, as you guys can see, it is a Jordan 1 with the green, the white, and then a black tongue. It's more of a lighter green, as you can see, comparing it to this and the pine green. The pine green is a darker green, so this one is definitely a lighter green, and then the DMP Celtics is definitely a darker green as well. So it comes with a light green. The Wings logo, as you guys can see, is a shiny red, as well with the accent on the back. Is right here, as you guys see, white and red. And then the swoosh logo is actually a patent leather, shiny and black, which is pretty lit, actually, not gonna lie to you. Comes with extra pair of red laces and extra pair of green laces. Then the default laces is black. So it kind of follows the Jordan 1 Chicago color blocking, but they're doing the white on the by the heel in the back heel. And then the tongue is also black with the red Nike Air logo right there. The Nike Air logo isn't like, kind of looks like a mid. You know how they have the Jordan logo on the mid? Not really like the Nike Air on the pair of Jordan 1, the OG Jordan 1s. But not gonna lie to you, the quality on these is pretty good on the leather. It's tumble leather and it's pretty soft, not gonna lie to you. But it's like missing, it's like a thin leather up here, as you guys can see. They're doing the not completely sewn in right here on the wing by the Wings logo. And you know, it has like a age midsole. It's kind of like creamish or off-white, followed by black outsole. And then the insole is actually really cool. I don't know what like that is. It's like a cork or the floor. These might be the Heinekens, man. Oh, they said these were supposed to be the floor of the Boston Garden. The Boston Garden. So they call this shoe the Lucky Green Jordan 1s. And it's supposedly for the TD Center, man. TD Center, Boston Garden, I don't know. So the origin, they said supposedly the court is supposed to resemble when Jordan dropped 63 points on the Boston Celtics, which is tough. Like, why would you make a Jordan shoe if he dropped 63 points on that opposing team? Shit, he dropped so many points on so many people. He should make a shoe for every team. The quality on these is actually really nice. It's like a very soft tumble leather. And after seeing them in person, I actually like them more than they seen in pictures. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of this green. They did do it justice with the patent leather Nike swoosh right here and on the inside. But overall, it's just another Jordan 1. Therefore, sizing, it's a women's Jordan 1, so I would suggest you guys to go completely true to size. Don't even half size down on these, because usually on Jordan 1s you would go half size down. But since it's a women's pair, just go true to size, because it might fit more narrow as opposed to a men's pair. So if you're a 9, get that 9, man. Don't play around. Don't try to be cute. Get an 8.5. Just get that 9. So quick breakdown on the resale of the Lucky Green Jordan 1s. I personally think that these are gonna settle around like $250 for small sizes, maybe drop a little bit lower to $220, $230, $235-ish, around that range for the smaller sizes. And then the bigger men's sizes will probably be around $300. This is a size 12. This is going to my boy Bobby Soles. He'll probably be dropping a review, so y'all make sure y'all go check him out. And yeah, man, the men's sizes will sell around like high 200s, 300. And then the smaller sizes will be around like 230, 250. I believe that these will go up around Christmas time, but that's up to you if you want to hold for 2 months or not. I only copped 2 pairs, so these are already sold. The other pairs pending to be sold. So if you guys are looking for a 5.5 in men's, that equates to a 7 women's. Just hit me up in my DMs down below. All my IG is linked down below. So yeah, man, wrapping it up with my final opinions. You guys already know how I feel about Jordan 1s. If you guys watched my previous videos, I'm a huge fan of classic colorways in retro Jordan 1s. So therefore, royals, shadows, black toes, Chicago's, Breads, you know, those are the classics. Like these classic Celtic ones, you know what I'm saying? These newer colorways that they've been dropping is cool, you know what I'm saying? Like this year, I was talking to my friend Farard earlier that he says this year has been like kind of weak. Personally, I think they dropped some cool Jordan 1s, but they're just not classics, man. Like, I like the Court Purple 2.0s. I like the Smoke Grays. I like the, what's the other pair that's coming out? The Mocha ones coming out, man. But, you know, classics will always hold a special place in my heart. So therefore, I have to roll with classics. And these aren't classics, man, but they're a pretty cool shoe. Just wouldn't be rocking it for myself. And I could see a lot of people wearing this, man. I could see a lot of girls doing it justice. It's just kind of weird. If it had a white tongue, maybe it'll be a different story, because then you could throw in the white laces and it'll be like lit. But it's a black tongue, so therefore you'll probably go with black laces. People probably throw in the red, you know, just to be cute. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Gave you guys a quick little breakdown, a review, a sizing, you know, resale predictions. And let me know what you guys think down below, man. Leave a like, comment down below how you guys feel about this shoe. You guys let me know. Like I said, I think it's pretty cool, but it's not for me because I'm a classics person when it comes to Jordan 1s. It's even cool right here, like the flap, you know, around the lace. But that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And you guys make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Your boy's out.